Hello everyone, welcome to AutoTecPro. Here we're showing off our 2015 Rover Vogue, the climate control touchscreen. As you can see, here's a full touchscreen right here. It comes with the two knobs here, and if you want to use hazard lights, then you click over here. That'll activate the hazard lights. As you can see, the original car does come with the CD player in the dash, but with the new climate control screen installed, that CD player will no longer be accessible, so you have to watch out for that one. So if you want to change the temperature, first turn on the AC. Here it is. So you can select on the left where you want the fan to spit out. Here you can click the auto and it'll just be automatic. So this is the temperature over here on the left side, and this is the temperature on the right side. Here's the AC button there. Here's the recirculation button here. Here's the rear defrost. And here's the windshield defrost there. So you can see, and then if you want to synchronize both sides, you can see we're at 17 and 20, you click sync, and that'll synchronize both sides there. And if you want to change to the back seats, you can click the front button there, or click here. That'll change to the controls to the rear seat, so you can choose the chest or the feet, or both. You can also lock it, turn it off. Right, so you can change the temperature on the left side of the back or the right side of the back. And then if you want to change the fan speed, then click here. This is the fan speed. So you can see here, that's the fan speed. I click one time. Now I'm back to the temperature controls. So we click over here for the front. And again, same thing, the fan speed is over here. That's the fan speed controls. So you gotta click on the right knob. And then there you have it. So this is the front, this is the rear, and then if you click here, it's the same thing, but if you click one more time here, it'll bring you to the seats option. So you can click here to go back to this main menu, or click seats. This one will bring you to the heated seats or the cooling seats. So this is the front. Turn to the right to increase the heated seats on the right side and on the left side, the driver's side, or turn the other way, left side, and then you can increase the cooling seats for the driver's side. Same thing on the passenger side as well. This is the cooling level 3, right? So, and then to access the back, just click rear. Rear will change it, or you can do like this, right? And so that'll also increase the heated seats for the rear seats at the back. If the car doesn't come with cooling seats, then the cooling seats will not work, but you still have that option here. And then here's the vehicle over there, the vehicle tab. So depending on what you press over here, I'm going to press this button and you're going to see the screen will change, right? So if I change the knob here, the screen will change it as well. You can't control it there, but it'll just show you. So we'll go back to auto, and then the auto start stop feature can also, if I press it here, and it'll show up on the screen there, on the right side. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is the settings. So you can change the theme. You can do the brightness or the auto depending on the headlight situation. The language is there. The brightness is here. Some version information. And then you can change the temperature to Celsius or Fahrenheit. So that's pretty much it. This button here works as well. Max AC works as well. So this is the rear climate controls. I want you guys to see that we're controlling the climate from the front, as you can see there. And then it will show at the bottom here that we're changing the temperature, changing the fan speed. You can see the numbers changing on the right. So this one is fully compatible with our new little climate touchscreen there at the front. Even the heated seats work as well. So you can see the heated seats are working right there. So from here we can also click to shoot the fan, the fan direction to our chest. You can go ahead. There it is. So all that's being controlled from the front of there. Even the auto button will work too. There it is. Yeah, so all the rear controls are compatible with the new screen at the front there. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.